Hey everyone, considering AT&T Air Internet, this review breaks down its real-world speed, coverage, reliability, setup process, and pricing, everything you need to know before you switch. AT&T Internet Air is a fixed wireless home internet service that costs $60 per month, offering typical download speed between 75 and 225 Mbps and unlimited data. It's easy to set up and work best in areas with a strong AT&T 5G coverage, but speeds and reliability can vary depend on your location and network congestion. While it's a good upgrade over DSL, it may not be as fast or consistent as cable or fiber internet. What is AT&T Air? AT&T Internet Air is a fixed wireless home internet service that delivers Wi-Fi to your home using AT&T's 5G and 4G LTE wireless network instead of traditional cables or fiber. It works by sending internet signals from nearby call towers to a special gateway device in your home, which can then create a Wi Fi network for all the devices. This service is designed for easy self installation, has straightforward pricing, and is ideal for areas where fiber or cable internet isn't available. Speed AT&T Internet Air offer download speed ranging from 75 to 225 Mbps with upload speed between 10 and 30 Mbps. Some sources and users report suggest real-world speed can range from as low as 5 Mbps up to 300 Mbps depending on your location and network congestion. Speed and latency typically 30 to 60 ms are generally sufficient for streaming, video calls, and even online gaming, but performance can fluctuate, especially during peak hours or in areas with a heavy network traffic. Only about one third of a speed test meet or exceed the advertised speed, so actual result may vary widely depending on your proximity to 5G towers and local congestion. Coverage AT&T Internet Air is available in 47 states, focusing on areas not served by AT&T fiber. Coverage is best in regions with a strong AT&T 5G and 4G LTE signals. Go to AT&T 5G coverage page where you can see the available country list. Price AT&T Internet Air has a single plan costing $60 per month with auto pay and paperless billing. There are no annual contract, no equipment fees, and no price increases after 12 months. While the price is competitive for wireless home internet, it's slightly higher than T-Mobile 5G home internet starting at $25 per month and similar to Verizon's 5G home internet. However, AT&T Fiber, if available, is faster and sometimes cheaper than Internet Air. Who should consider? It's a strong option for customers in rural or suburban areas where fiber or cable isn't available and a significant upgrade over legacy DSL discounts if you bundle with a qualifying AT&T unlimited wireless plan. You can get a 20% discount bringing the price down to $47 per month if bundled within 24 hours of ordering. Steps to buy AT&T Fiber. After confirming availability and ordering online, you receive a gateway device that just need to be plugged in and powered up. No technician visit required. Equipment. There are no equipment rental fee and the hardware is included with your plan. To order online, go to Internet AT&T online. Enter your home address and click check availability on the next page. Review the plan and check continue button. On the next page, select Add to Cart button if you want all 5 booster. It is optional, then select Continue button. On the next page, select Checkout button. You will get all 5 hub device along with the plan. If you are a new customer, register your email ID. Follow on-screen instructions to buy the plan. Steps to set up device. Ease of setup. This service is designed for easy self-installation. The gateway device just need to be plugged in and powered up. No technician visit required. Most users report a straightforward activation process with the support available if needed. By scanning the QR code on the box, download the AT&T Home Manager app. Unbox the package and you will get all 5 device and power cord. Then open the downloaded AT&T app and select Setup Equipment. Select Next button. Scan the QR code from the label on the device. Alternatively, you can also enter the serial number printed on the back of the device. Plug in your All-Fi hub, place it where the signal is strongest. Follow the app's instructions to finish. Set up and connect your device to Wi-Fi. Look for the Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password on your All-Fi hub label or in the AT&T Smart Home Manager app. On your phone, tablet, and computer, open the settings menu, select Wi-Fi and make sure Wi-Fi is turned on. Choose your All-Fi network from the list, enter the password and tap connect. Your device should now be connected to the internet. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.